Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel SK Solutions. My name is Deepthi Madhuri and I am a Tally trainer. In previous videos, we discussed about the contra voucher and we also learned how to record the transactions in contra voucher. Today in this video, we are going to learn two vouchers, receipt voucher and payment vouchers that comes under accounting vouchers. And we also learn how to record the transaction in receipt and payment vouchers with an example. So let's get started. Here, first, what is receipt voucher? The shortcut key of receipt voucher is F6. And as we learned earlier, that this receipt voucher records all the money that has been received by business concerns from sales or any other source like capital introduced by owners. And we can receive money in two types. One is cash receipt and other is bank receipt. And coming to payment voucher, the shortcut key of payment voucher is S5 as it records all the payment transactions. And we can also make payment in two types, cash payment and bank payment. And so let us learn how to enter the transactions in receipt and payment voucher with an example. First, enter into Telegram app and create a company. Here, these are the receipt and payment entries that we are required to enter into receipt and payment vouchers. And the company name is Ramu Private Limited. Ramu Private Limited, address and state. Press Ctrl N. And there is no need to enable any of the features, so press Ctrl N. So first we need to create ledger accounts. So go to create in ledger. Let's create one by one ledger account. First, Ramu started a new business, means Ramu investing a capital in his own business. So, create Ramu account that comes under capital account as he investing capital in his own business. So, press Ctrl A. Next, furniture purchasing. Here, furniture purchasing. It comes under fixed asset. Next, computer. It also comes under fixed asset. Next, rent paid. Rent paid. It comes under indirect expenses as it is profit and loss expenses. So, indirect expenses. And Control A. Next, net bill paid. It is also a profit and loss item. So, it comes under indirect expenses. Wages paid. It is a factory expenses. So, it comes under direct expenses. Next, factory rent paid. It also comes under direct expenses. Fees received. It is a profit and loss item and it is a receipt. So indirect income. Next, salary paid. It also indirect expenses. As it is a payment, right? So it comes under indirect expenses. Commission received. It also indirect income. As it is a receipt. So control G. And power bill paid. Indirect expenses. Petty income. Indirect income. Freight charges. It is related to factory, right? So it comes under direct expenses. And interest on investment. It comes under indirect income. And the ledger accounts has been prepared. Now we need to enter each transaction in vouchers. First, Ramu started a new business, 2 lakhs. As Ramu invested capital in his own business. But in business point of view, it is the receipt. So we enter all the transactions in business point of view only. So here capital is the receipt to the business. So press F6 in your keyboard and the receipt voucher screen appears. And here capital means cash is coming in. Cash account debit to capital account. So here credit, right? So we need to credit capital. Who is investing? Ramu is investing. So credit Ramu account. How much? 2 lakhs. And debit cash account as cash is coming in. Control A. Next. Furniture purchased. Here furniture purchased means we paid cash. It is a payment. So press F5 and debit furniture account as furniture is coming in. How much? 25,000. And credit cash account as cash is going out. Next, computer purchased. It is also a payment. Computer account debit. How much? 20,000 to cash account. Control A. And the rent paid. It is also a payment. Rent account debit. How much? 12,000 to cash account as cash is going out. Net bill paid 600. It is also a payment. 600 to cash account. And wages paid. It is also a payment. Wages account debit. How much? 1,500 to cash account. Factory rent received. Received means it is a receipt. So press F6. And factory rent received. Sorry. Okay, I made a mistake that instead of factory rent received, I entered factory rent paid. So go there and press Ctrl plus Enter in your keyboard and the ledger alteration screen appears. So modify it. Factory rent received. It comes under direct income. So press Ctrl N. See, this is how we need to change. How much? 20,000. Debit the cash account as cash is coming in. Control N. Next, fees received. It is also a receipt. 8,000. Receipt 8,000. Debit cash account. Salary paid. It is payment. Press F5 and debit salary paid. How much? 7,000 to cash account. Commission received. It is a receipt. So F6. We need to credit commission received. How much? 4,500. And debit cash account as cash is coming in. And power bill paid. It is a payment. Go to F5 and debit the power bill paid. 1,750 and credit cash account. Petty income. It is a receipt. Press F6 and credit petty income. How much? 600. Debit cash account. No, petty income is 500. Yes. Control A. Freight charges. It is also a payment. It's in 1,600. Freight charges 1,600 and credit cash account. Interest on investment. It is receipt. We are receiving interest on investments. So press F6. credit interest on investment, how much 15,000 and debit cash account as cash is coming in. Controlling. This is how we need to enter transactions in receipt and payment voucher. You are entering in correct voucher. Okay. Then how to view these reports? First, escape. First of all, what is debit? The debit is nothing but the transaction which we had been entered in vouchers are recorded in debit here. These are the transactions which had been entered. If you want to make any changes of any of the transaction, go to that transaction and make changes and again press Ctrl A. This is how you need to make changes to the transactions that you had been made. And press escape now. As we learned earlier that the Tally Prime automatically generates balance sheet and profit and loss statements. So go to profit and loss account here. The Tally Prime has automatically generated the profit and loss statement as per the transactions that we had been recorded in vouchers. If you want to view this report in detail, go to F12 configuration and go to format of report and press in detail. So Control L. See. Now you can view the profit and loss account statement in detail. Here there is net profit 23,550. Then press escape. Now balance sheet. Here this is balance sheet. It consists of assets and liabilities. Here both liabilities and assets are equal. This is how we view the financial reports in Tally Prime. And this is how we enter the vouchers in receipt and payment vouchers. Thanks for watching. If you want to receive more updates on Tally Prime accounting and related topics, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive latest updates. Thanks.